In this video, I'll show you how to create a full website on Leadpages in just a few minutes, even if you've never built one before. Start by opening your browser and going to the Leadpages website. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the Sites section. This is where you build complete websites, not just landing pages. Click Create New Site to begin. You'll now see the template gallery. Browse through the available website templates and preview a few to see which design fits your goal, whether it's a business site, portfolio, or simple personal website. When you find a template you like, click Start Building and give your site a name so you can easily recognize it later. Next comes customization. Use the drag and drop builder to edit your site. You can click directly on text, images, and buttons to change content, or drag in sections like About, Services, or Call to Action from the left sidebar. Add widgets such as images, buttons, or forms to make your site more interactive and useful. Adjust colors, backgrounds, spacing, and button styles to match your brand. Don't forget to set up your header and navigation menu so visitors can easily move between pages. If you want to collect leads, drag in a form and connect it to your email tool. Before going live, preview your site on desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure it looks great everywhere. When you're happy with the result, click Publish in the top right corner. That's it. Your website is now live on Leadpages. Simple, fast, and ready to share.